Hi guys, welcome back. 23rd of July, today, Monday morning, first day of the trading week. And you're looking at the gold. This is a daily chart. And just a few days ago, I followed up on the gold when it was still on the watch list, and I suggested that there's an interesting bullish opportunity cooking up here. I decided to pull the trigger with the first trade here in what I would hope to be a big position going forward. But the technical picture, it's quite simple. We had a strong downside move that I think overshooted all the way to almost 1200. Now from this point, as you can see here on the bottom of the screen, price begins to turn around, right? It begins an upside reversal, and it also does that in a nice fashion here. This is what we call a bullish Japanese pattern, goes by the name of Morning Star. Now, if I go back to the weekly chart, here it's even more impressive because you can easily see that there is a trading range that had started to form back at late 2017, starting with the first leg, second leg, and just right now, I suspect we may have been finishing up the third downside leg. Obviously, went deep inside the lower section, but also, and especially the previous week, took the previous low by a huge margin. The very fact that price left this big spike there suggests that when it visited these levels, a lot of buyers jumped in. So the market thinks this may be a too low price for the gold, right? This is my interpretation, behind the scene. So this spike suggests that we may be looking at a major turning point. Now a major turning point will lead to the next upside leg, which has potential to go back to the upper section, right? Starting with a level of 1328. So I'm going to look at that level as kind of the final destination. As we've just pulled the trigger, starting very small, we're also looking at this level here, 1264, as a secondary target. All right. Now, stop loss level at this point is deep in the levels of 1213. As price begins to seriously pick up the pace here, we will begin to adjust the stop loss accordingly. But there you go. We're starting to form this bullish outlook on the gold starting today. We'll follow up. We'll keep you posted.